population of an entire city with that. Are you sure it's ethical? I thought you were serious. Can't we just launch bombs in the desert where no one lives to demonstrate power? I think it makes sense to everyone. No! We will strike right at Japan! Let's get it over with! Let's hit the enemy's military points! Two explosions instantly killed 80,000 people. Thanks for watching! Be sure to like and subscribe. The new video is already on the channel.